Welcome to the East Bank River Flats. This is what this is called. I thought there was like apartments tucked away somewhere because like flat apartment. I don't know. I think I watched too much British YouTube, but this is the East River Flats. It's like some really nice park space. Typically towards Saturday midday, Saturday evening, whatever, morning even, if there's a big gopher game or a gopher game here on campus at all. There's people down here tailgating. I've been down here Sunday to do some studying over there, and they practice Quidditch down here, so there's quite a lot that happens. The squirrels are super friendly. I don't know if you can hear them, but I can hear them. So I thought we'd explore East Bank together, especially because, I mean, look at these gorgeous fall colors. So these places are a really great chance to explore. There's a lot of divots and inlets and ways to get down to the river. I typically go in more. Angry squirrel, Jesus. But along with that, there's a lot of like picnic benches. A lot of times you can sit out here and do homework. There's a better picnic bench which I will show you. It has a better view into the water, but if you're someone who really likes working with nature, working by nature, being outside, but also being peaceful and tucked away, and on East Bank, I definitely recommend checking this place out. It's really close to Comstock, which is where I live in Udolph, but there's also stairs down there that bring you by Superblock, I believe. So there's access. Oh, people are taking my spot. So here's my preferred spot to work. Just a little bit off camera to the left is some picnic benches closer down to the water, like that benches, but there's children and I don't want to film strangers' children, but get a good industrial look and a good look at the beautiful Mississippi River. So I find it really calming when I'm studying. So I'm just making my way down the trail. I'm trying to get deeper into the trail, but I have to pass, if you can see to the right of this boathouse, that's row team, I believe. And to the left, people are setting up for tailgating, so I have to decide which side I want to pass. I think I'm going to pass on the left of the boathouse just because it looks like they're in like a little team group activity and I don't want to walk through that. So the tailgaters are at least just starting to set up, so it'd be better to walk through them, I think. So, but look at this beautiful park. Like, I can't get over the green mixed with the like industrial city vibe. It really makes me happy. I mean, and it's gorgeous reds and yellows. Oop, drop ya. So if you go to the end of the boathouse or past it, let me try to get a better. You get this beautiful path. And it's all turning pretty colors for fall, so I'm excited to see what we can get. I've put you on the tripod now, so we get to discover if it's more or less stable than just my hand, but I like the height better, and I like the modality. I mean, just look at this. This is surreal. pretty out here. see, but I'm pretty sure that is a goose or a duck with babies. So I don't want to go too close to startle anyone, but look at the fucking babies, dog. Where I was walking down there, but I came up at the top because I haven't walked up here before. So back to the dorm.